Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Royalty, and in this video I will be showing you how to make use of this pearl fixing machine. This is the carton. It comes this way. It's actually called a pearl setting machine anyway. So yes, I'll be showing you how to make use of this just in case you want to buy one. Now I have done fixed 2 pearls already, and I'll be showing you how to fix it in a minute or even 30 seconds. So yes, you have the various your discs here. Now you can change it. All you just have to do is roll unscrew this, and you have this. So this the size of this disc that you would use would depend on the size of your pearl. So this is what I have here. Mine is a small size and it fits in perfectly well. You have a bigger size here depending on the size of your pearl. I think this is just fine for me. So all I just have to do is just screw it back, since there was no need to change. Just screw it back here. Now I have here my pearl. Please note that my pearl doesn't have any hole inside. It's not the one that you use needle and thread for. And I also have here my pins. I got this one separately anyway. I got it separately. Now when you look at your pin, I'll call it pin anyway, it has 4 spikes facing upwards and it has a round base. So all you have to do is pick the pin, put it into this hole here. Just ensure that the base of the pin is sitting while the spike is facing upwards. So all I just have to do is drop it inside like so. Then the next thing is just to pick your fabric and put it in between, anywhere you want it, and all you have to do is just pull this red straw here. It's called a straw. Just pull it, apply pressure, and we're good to go. Voila. You know, now it's funny, you often see this type of pearl in lace fabric, but now you can actually fix your pearl on any fabric as you desire. I think I will advise you to get this because it's easier than using needle and thread to tack. And if you want to get there's a link to it in my description. You can get it on Jumia, and I'm sure it will be delivered to your doorstep. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.